I'm really digging this really giant box I have in front of me. The sensory slime. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at all the stuff that comes in here.
Hey Princess Squad, it's T
and Sprinkles,
and we are back with a fidget toy haul from
Five Below.
We went to Five Below, and oh my goodness, there was like an entire aisle now of fidget toys. Like before, it was like scattered everywhere, but this time there was like
its own aisle.
Exactly, and we got so many goodies to share with you guys. Okay, we have all of these to open, and I say we're gonna open these sensory balls next because they look so colorful, and I'm curious to see how they feel. So here we have it, all of these different texture balls, and okay, let's see how this pink one is. Okay, feels pretty good. And I'm gonna do this yellow one here. It reminds me of like an atom.
It sure does, kind of like a little science project.
Science little, yep, here. And then let me just try this blue one out. You know what, I'm not gonna lie, girl. This reminds me of like dog toys. It even squeaks.
I agree. I really do agree. This reminds me like of the solar system, to be honest.
Yeah.
This one is Mars, you know. This one's Venus.
No, this one looks like a virus.
Oh my God, it is a virus.
It looks like a virus.
And then the little virus fan coming out. Hey! Y'all, okay, it's okay.
Okay.
It really does resemble like dog toys or dog treats.
I mean, for $5, I think it's okay, but still, I don't know.
It's stuck.
There's 7 out of 10.
You give it 7. I give it a 5.
Maybe because we're just bored with it, but like for the item for $5, it's pretty decent.
We only opened it for like 2 minutes and we're
we're kind of bored with it.
Oh, we can play like the little, you know. Oh, like the marbles.
Anyways, moving on because Homegirl's losing her mind. Next product. Next up, suction pals. According to the back, it says pop it, stretch it, stick it.
So let's open it and see. So inside we have a purple one that's bigger. Oh, look, and there's a little tie. Does yours have a little suit?
No, it doesn't. This is a green one that's like a tiny one. It reminds me of a little walking alien. Okay, so I'm gonna stretch it. Let's see if it stretches. I mean, kind of stretches, not really. I don't know how I feel. It kind of stretches.
It's kind of hard to stretch. Maybe they just meant to like stretch the arms.
Maybe
you can like twist it like this, but really, I think it's really made for like suctioning.
Okay, so it says it suctions to each other.
Here, let's hold hands.
Hey!
Section house. Oh, God.
Oh. Okay. Anyways, so it says suction. Let's see. It says pop it, stick it, stretch it. So we stretch it. We stick. How do you pop it?
Pop it like that.
Oh, well there you go.
Like you didn't even do their feet. All right, so you're gonna have to go in like this and then pull.
There you go. Hours and hours of sensory fun right here.
It can be like a music bag.
Okay, $5, you guys. What would you rate it?
I'd give it like a 6.
I give it a 4 because I feel like it should be like $2 or $3 max. I mean,
you know,
it looks like a cheap toy. Because for $5, I'd rather buy that sensory slime kit.
I mean, but this one you can like dance with it.
Moving on. Next up, sensory pen art. Okay, so
this I actually kind of like really playing with.
As a kid, I really like this, and it's actually pretty cool. Yep. So we're gonna open it up. It's in the shape of a star.
Okay. So here it is, and all you do is you push it up. You can try to push it all up to where it comes like a star, or you can make your own shapes. This is actually pretty cool. I can sit here and do this for hours. You know you're intrigued. You are intrigued. You know, I'm a little beatbox.
I don't know her. I don't know her. Somebody come and take her, you guys. Somebody take her.
Somebody call the fidget master because she done just found her fidget, y'all. Look, you can even like try your face or something. Let me try like my nose. Anything?
Yeah, your nose.
Who wants Sprinkles' nose? Look, it's a
Pretty
3D
good.
art.
Pretty good. Now, how many stars does it get?
It gets however many is on here, probably like 100 stars. I can play this literally every day.
$5, 10 out of 10, you guys. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Moving on to the next item. What are we opening?
I say we do this one.
All right, so this is sensory sand, and let's see how it is. It's $5.
$5?
Yep, $5. You get this big old bucket, and I really don't know what's inside.
I wonder.
Yeah.
I think just rip it open. I hope they have molds.
I mean,
Oh, I see some. I think I see some.
So it comes with this bag of sand.
We have some castle molds.
And some of these little beads here, and I'm not sure what this is. Some kind of rock.
Oh my.
I mean, according to the picture here, like, I don't know, I guess you display the rocks. Oh, these little beads are like the Orbeez beads, like you grow them.
Oh.
That's kind of cool. First things first, we gotta make our Orbeez beads by soaking it in some water for it to grow.
All right, Orbeez are all done and grown. They're so pretty.
They are. Love playing with them. They're so satisfying, actually.
It is.
Okay, so we got our sand, and I'm just gonna put it in this little box that they gave us.
Okay.
And let's test the texture.
The texture's actually pretty good. It's not too wet. It's not too dry.
So let's make this look nice, you guys. So
right.
it's like our own personal sandbox. It's not even enough to fill the box. Like, seriously.
How am I supposed to make a mold?
I don't know. I feel like if you
Maybe that's why they give us some rocks.
to cover the holes.
Yeah, to cover up the little holes.
Like, okay, let's test the mold out.
All right. I mean, the mold should be okay. I wish they really did give us more.
I mean, not enough sand. Come on, Five Below.
I know. Okay, you
All
go
right.
first and then I'll go.
So maybe I'll like do this.
Ooh,
Oh, it stays okay.
All right, on my end, I got this little square one. And hey.
I definitely want to use this teal one here. So let me just grab some here. You guys know how I feel about this color. Pack it in there.
I'm gonna use this blue one. It looks like it goes to like a top or something.
And we'll just put it like right here. I'm just making a little scenery right here, like as if I was at the beach.
All right.
All right. And I guess we're gonna use...
Oh no!
Oh no, it's fine!
Your
All right,
little,
let me
your
just-
little one, your little one.
All right,
fell over.
so we'll go ahead and put that in.
There we
and then
go.
I'm gonna add some rocks. I mean, I gotta cover up these holes somehow.
Don't worry, we got Orbeez.
Okay, and then now we're gonna add the Orbeez. I feel like it just spread it. I don't know.
All right,
Gotta
I'm
cover
actually
the
gonna
holes.
just. It doesn't even. It does its own thing once it hits the ground. Okay, I'm gonna cover up these.
Yeah.
Oh, we have a magical island.
I feel like we're at the beach, you guys.
Ooh.
Can't go to the beach, make your own little sandbox over here. Pretty cool, but after you do this, what do you do? Like, do I pick the Orbeez back out
And
then
wash
like,
them
do
and
it
throw them
again?
in?
Like, do you mix it
Or
up?
do you leave it?
I don't know, cause it would be annoying to have to pick out all these Orbeez. I feel like.
I know. Does the sand mess up
I don't
after
know.
the Orbeez hits it?
I don't know.
Because it's wet.
Mix it around.
Alright.
Yeah.
Can I go ahead and rate this?
Yeah, go ahead.
I
What would
think
you
I'll
rate
give
it?
this like a 3.
A 3.
A 3.
It's pretty cool, but I feel like it's like a one-time use, and then you gotta like. I mean,
Exactly.
let me back up.
It's
You
a
can use it
one-time
again.
use.
But you just have to like dig out these Orbeez and wash them.
I gave it
And
a
then,
3
like-
because I wish there was more sand.
Yeah, true. But you know, I'm gonna be nice and give it a 5. Yeah, because it's actually pretty cool. I mean, for $5, it comes with all these items, but I feel like it needs more sand.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 5 out of 10 for me, 3 out of 10 for her. And if you guys get this kit, let us know what you think. Next, I'm super excited to open these dimples. Like, they're super duper colorful and
It's really pretty colors.
check this out in the back. Like, it has like a name for each color, like energy, creativity. I really like the teal color, so I guess I'm patient. I don't know if that's right.
I guess I'm peaceful.
You're definitely not peaceful, so I don't know
I am peaceful.
how true this will is, you guys. But let me just open it up.
If you can.
If I can. See,
Oh
not
my
patient whatsoever. I'm
goodness.
just ripping into this box.
This thing is fake. It's fake news. Alright, let's see.
So, it looks like this. And there's different colors.
Spin it,
and
spin
it
it.
spins. And let's try to pop it.
Okay.
Flip it.
And pop some more.
Oh, that side's definitely not loud. I feel like this side is like super soft and this other side.
Yeah, listen. All right, this is a one side hitter quitter.
Yep. So for $5, what would you rate this?
I rate it a 5.
5? Yeah, I would give it a 5. I wish the other side would pop, but I feel like a lot of Pop-Its are like that. Or even simple dimples and dimples, they only pop really well on one side. But it's super duper pretty though. I really like it.
It is really pretty.
But I would be annoyed that only one side pops. Yeah, so 5 out of 10 you guys for this at Five Below. Next up we got this monkey noodle and we have one more item after that. So these monkey noodles are different because they have different texture, you guys. This one has like little dots on them. This one is striped and this one looks like a worm.
Like little ridges.
Yep. So together, you can twist, you can turn, you can pull. And if you're having a bad day,
one just went off the table, guys. Like literally, she's always whacking something. Oh my goodness.
Okay,
all
so
right.
it comes with these here. I think I would rate this for $5. An 8 out of 10.
You give it 8?
I mean, you didn't even try it yet.
I know, that's why I didn't rate it yet. But I mean, it's actually quite stretchy and you can like twist it. You know, you can put it in your hair, I guess, if you clip it. Like
Crazy hair day.
Crazy hair day, it looks cute. Okay, I guess I'll give it like a 6.
Yeah, pretty decent for some monkey noodles, you guys.
Last but not least, we have pop tubes, and these glow in the dark, guys. So here we have like a purple, a teal, and a...
That is not teal, that is blue.
Girl, it's teal in my eyes.
It is blue.
Okay, let's stretch it. Ooh, let's twist it. Ooh, okay, now let's try to connect this. So there's always like a big end and a...
I always have
like
trouble
a small
connecting
end,
them.
see? And this actually just pops in. It doesn't like
because
twist.
sometimes you have to twist.
And they don't stay in very good. That just docked off a point, by the way.
I mean,
It came out easy, huh?
Yeah, it did. Let me
All right, let's connect it. Ooh. Okay, we're making it smaller.
Yeah.
All right. You pull in, I pull in.
Ready?
I'm gonna hold right here just in case.
Ready, set, go.
I told you it didn't go well.
It didn't connect very well, but dock off another point. Nope. Nope.
It don't hold well, period.
Alright, let's test and see if it glows in the dark. I don't know if you can like see with all these cameras and the lights, but
we're gonna go to a dark
let's turn off the lights. Well, we saw it.
I don't know if you guys saw, but I think only one kind of semi worked, and the rest was like, wah.
Yeah. I mean, y'all heard the noise. You know we did it, but
I think it was this one that only glowed.
Yeah, it was not that great, you guys. So I give this a 1, like she said.
I'll give it a 1 too.
Yeah, I mean, pretty cool colors. It just didn't glow in the dark, and for $5, it's kind of on the higher end for these pop tubes.
I agree.
Like. All right, so this is everything that we had purchased from Five Below, and we reviewed for you guys. And now it's time to pick our favorites.
I already know my favorite.
Which one is it?
This giant box here with like 15 different things for $5. Like literally, there's like slime, there's putty, there's
sand. Like I love it, just for $5. And you know what? That's actually my favorite also because it's only $5 for this giant thing versus like $5 for like this or like this.
Non-glow-in-the-dark pop tubes.
Yeah, so what was your least favorite?
My least favorite would probably be the pop tubes.
Yeah.
It didn't do nothing
because
for me.
it didn't glow. And guys, go to Five Below and grab this if you are shopping for Christmas presents. If you're shopping for something for yourself because you're stressed out, definitely this will keep you occupied and we love it. And so you guys, that's the end of today's video of our huge Five Below haul. If you want to follow us on TikTok and Instagram at
PrincessSquad.official.
and remember to always dream big,
Have fun.
and be kind.
Bye.